at Pentrehafod, we do get the right to be the best we can be.
In Pentrehafod, we have Pentrehafod. This ties in with Article 19, the right to be safe.
Pupil Voice wanted hot drinks machines, so we took this to school council and they got them in for us.
If you have any problems and want to sort it out, we have Beth here.
We do have a chance to get our point across in our school council meetings.
You know, we have the right to keep healthy, so our school has got us a climbing wall.
As you can see, we have articles all around the school, like this one, Article 59. Children who have been neglected and abused have the right to special help.
This is the Know Your Rights for children at a school.
The teachers are nice to us and they help us.
We try to tie in all the changes we make with a certain article that we need to do.
Different variety of languages like Welsh, French and German.
We recently put posters across the school which let children know their rights.
This is our power office. We can come here if we ever need to chat to anyone.
When you go there, they help you go through your problems and everything.
We also have a right to the month which is decided, and this month it's the right to life and to be healthy.
We have the right to relax and play.
We're all valued as pupils, so if we need any help or we want to say start a project, all the teachers will help and support us.
We have the right to fresh and healthy food.
We have Xbox, because at lunch break and time, if you get bored.
School council was able to get us boxes around the bin, so rubbish doesn't go everywhere.
There's lots of opportunities for more subjects.
This is one of our favourite outdoor spaces. We can come here breaks or lunch times.
We asked if we could have money machines, and this was also brought through school council.
Safe, clean and friendly environment.
The respect between the teachers and pupils is quite mutual and everyone gets along very well.
It's just a really healthy school and I just love to be a part of it.